We're here at Critical Communications World and we are here at the Finland Pavilion. And the Finland Pavilion is here for the first time. And it's not for nothing that it is a Finland Pavilion being here at Critical Communications World. And there are many companies selected here. And what was the reason to come up with this pavilion?
The most important reason was that we like to show the good cooperation we have between authorities in Finland. Police, fire brigades, also ambulance service had built together quite strong communication systems in Finland, and I think it's not very usually in this world. I think this is, from my point of view, the most important reason. And here my Deputy Director General, who's technical genius, can also tell you about the high standards of technique we have in Finland.
Yeah, because that is something different. We're now changing from LMR to broadband networks. Finland is going into a transition period with the network, I understood. Yeah. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Actually, we have been running about 18 years Tetra network in Finland, and now we are using those commercial networks for broadband and for also authorities, and now we are thinking that we need some new system and standards for professional data networks, broadband networks, and we are not satisfied only with commercial services, and that's why we are rethinking things, and we are building our systems on a new way, so that we are taking LTE systems in the future also to our use, and today I think that the solution may be hybrid solution where we use also the commercial networks, and it's due to economic, because we can't afford that we build the LTE network covering the whole big Finland, and that's why we are thinking that the hybrid solution will be the best solution for us.
Okay, thank you very much. Well, if we look at the number of companies here at the Finland Pavilion, there are some companies that exist for quite a while. How is it? Can you tell me the reason why there are so many Finnish development companies in this area of expertise?
We have the history in Finland from Nokia, and so Nokia started the telecommunication during the 60s, 70s, 80s with the analogic system, and then later digital system. So due to the Nokia history, which Nokia was really big in our country, we developed also these critical communication systems and services. So we were one of the first in the world to provide these services. So due to that history, there are several companies, small and medium-sized and bigger one, and nowadays they are looking to have these export opportunities, and due to that they are cooperating very well together.
Okay, well, they're here at the booth together, but they do operate together and they do sit around the table and to discuss the future of critical communications?
Yes, that I have heard also today, that this booth is going to deeper their cooperation with each other, because there are consultant companies, there are accessory companies, there are network companies, there are terminal companies, there are all type of companies. Partly they can compete with each other, but they have a lot of cooperation possibilities also.
Okay, so from your point of view, that must be ideal as running a network in Finland and being responsible for that, is it?
And of course we are also discussing with companies, authorities and companies working together, and that's quite strong idea, good idea.
Well, thank you very much for your time. It was kind of refreshing to understand, why this Finland Pavilion is here. I wish you a lot of success and speak to you after the show about the success of the Finland Pavilion.